Recently I meant to get a piece of glass for the purpose of, I don't know if you've seen at the end of tennis matches sometimes, they have the players sign what seems to be on the camera lens, but probably they have a piece of glass in front of the camera and it's on that piece of glass that the player then makes their signature. But just before I got the piece of glass, I ran into this. I spotted this in the store and it seemed to be like it's almost what I want, with a little bit of something extra. I don't know how well it works or whatever, but there is a little piece of clear glass in this, or perspex or whatever. We'll have a look at that now. Let's just see what it says on the box. We have here 3D drawing board, some pictures all glowy. There's the size of it. Oh, it's actually very small. I thought because this box was kind of biggish it was going to be the size of the box, but it seems not. And there's a kid with 3D glasses, if they are. Usually these kinds of 3D glasses, I know, have like a red and a bluish green in the other eye. So I don't know how this is gonna work. What does that say? Damp the cloth provided for optimal cleaning. Choking hazard conforms to whatever that is. Some pens, and there is the 3D drawing board. Where is it? Oh, it's this see-through thingy here with, it seems, lights or something in it. Here, what does it say? Warnings and whatever. What is this? Oh, the batteries it needs. 4 AAA. Yeah, I didn't bring that along, but I'll get it somewhere, I'm sure. And the other side seems to be just a duplicate of this one. Alrighty, let's see if this thing is as fantastic as it seems on the box. So you pull this out. Oh, it seems we're leaving half of the stuff in the box. Okay, there's that. Cleaning clothy. Yeah, it seems the stuff fell out now. There's some stuff you can trace. We're not gonna trace anything now. Oh, is this the little glass piecey? Yeah. You have to pull off the protective stuff. It's a shame it's so small. Well, we'll have a look at that. What else have we got? Our 3D glasses. Do they even have lenses? I don't know, we'll have a look at that. And that's it for as much as in the box. Let's see. Please tear the protective film on both sides. Damp the cloth provided for optimal cleaning. So we have to take off this brown paper as per the instructions of it, but it's so difficult now to get it off. Getting it off is not easy. Maybe we should say to be continued, and we'll do a next episode of me finally having taken this off. Just kidding, by the way. Okay, finally we're getting one off. Oh, but now it's tearing into pieces instead of coming off clean. I don't know how they expect little kids to do this. It's actually insanely difficult. And 5 minutes later I'm still doing this. Okay, it seems you should budget yourself about 5 to 7 minutes to get each side clean. I've done one now. On to the next. It's insanely difficult to get this paper clean off. Did it really need all this much protection? And it just won't come off clean. Not far to go. And now there's glue on the glass also. Okay, well, that was probably the least fun I ever had with a new toy. Now there, that ring is the ring light you're seeing. I suppose it's a good size. It will cover the camera lens and then I can sign on there. If I want to do something like those signing on the camera lens, or writing on it. I saw a lot of people do their educational videos, then they write stuff like on the screen. Anyway, yeah, here we have pictures that we can trace. I don't think I want to trace pictures. And 3D glasses that seem to have clear lenses, although that's probably not what it is. 3D glasses, do they look funny to you? Because they look funny when I... Okay, yeah, that's very odd. Like everything has lines around it. On this side it looks like the green and red and blue is light is separated. To this side separated to that side, and on this side separated to that side. Let me see if I can give you the effect of it through the camera. Can you see me? Let me see. No, but that's not what I saw. Or is it? No, it seems it just sort of looks foggy. if I try to make you look through the glasses, it just looks a bit foggy. Or maybe that's just what it looks like to me now. I don't know, but anyway, let's carry on with the arts and crafts project. That is this thing. This thing, oh, there's our pens, obviously. Let's take some out. Well, they say it's supposed to look 3D when you draw on this glass now. I see there's LED lights in that little slit there. So we take this out. Are these magnets? No, they're not. Just like things so that it doesn't slide around on the table. There's where your batteries are supposed to go in. They made nothing easy, did they? Let's see, I have a nail here. Okay, and there flies the lid off. But this is only 2 batteries. They said 4. 4 AAA batteries, so where was the rest of it supposed to go in? Now I meanwhile managed to get some batteries out of a different device. Oh no, it is 4, yeah. You see that one slid all the way down. So it is indeed gonna need 4 batteries of the AAA type. Those 2 face that way and these 2 face this way. Are we good now? Yeah, there we are. LED lights in there. So we close up our battery compartment, which again isn't easy to do. Why is everything about this product so difficult? Okay, managed to plop it in there. And then this obviously is supposed to go in there. And then you switch on your LED lights. And now, as you can see, the edges of the whole thing lit up. And now we're supposed to draw on this and then look through our 3D glasses. Let's draw something first. Let's make blue outlines. Oh, the outlines are actually glowing because of the LED lights. Where's the switch now? Oh, the switch is on this side. See, there's what I drew. And it sort of lights up when the light shines through the thing. This is a lion, by the way. Okay, now let's switch colors. See what that's supposed to do. Pink eyes. Can you see what I'm drawing? There you can, yeah. Eyes. Orange rest of the mouth. And whiskers. And what else didn't we use? Green. That's the only color left. Actually, let's just close up this head with the pink. There we are. Our lion's face. We'll make his mane with the green. There, all nicely lit up with the light. No light, some light. No light, lights. I bet it would look nice in the dark. Let me see if I darken this place a little bit. Like so, and like so. Ah, nice glow in the dark picture. See? Now it's off, and now it's on. So that in itself is nice, but now what will the 3D glasses do, I wonder? Let me see if I put them on. Other than make me look all... I don't know what. Does it look 3D? Well, not much, but yeah, there is a little bit of a difference. The blue... Was it the blue? Yes, the blue was what we started with. But I see I actually did it the wrong way around, because the parts I wanted to be in front, appearing closest, I did now the farthest. Yeah, the blue actually looks farther away, not much, about 3/4 of a centimeter. It looks to me like it's a little bit back inside the glass, like I drew on the back side. The orange looks like it's right on the glass. The pink, maybe the pink is a little bit forward. Not much more than the orange, but a little bit, I would say. And the green, where is the green? Not quite as far back as the blue, but it is farther back than the pink and the orange. Yeah, quite a nice effect. But everything, especially the light colors, like the green, has a, what is that, triple outline, maybe even more. I don't know, it looks a bit weird. I could make you look through one of the lenses. Obviously you won't get the 3D effect then. Let me just darken this up. And yeah, you can watch through the one lens. Did that make a difference? Yeah, you see now it just makes green have 4 lines. This is the other side of the glasses. Does it look weird to you or something? Well, obviously, since this is not a 3D camera, it only has one lens. You're not gonna see things in 3D, I'm afraid. You need a 3D camera for that. And then you also need 3D glasses. So this thing slides out really easily. So you must be careful with that. Let me have one last look. I switched the lenses around now, but yeah, blue is still farther back. Let's see if I flip it over. Blue is still farther back. Well, a 3D effect, I suppose it's kinda cute. Not insanely 3D like way back and way in front. It's more like maybe it looks about like the picture is about half an inch thick or half an inch deep. Yeah, but yeah, this thing will come in handy. I'm sure I'll use this little light up glass board thingy. Alrighty, your homework is to like and subscribe. I don't know why I'm putting the glasses back on. You know what? If you actually hold it farther away without the light, then it actually looks like the picture is thicker. The blue is farther back than the orange. The orange seems to be the one in front, then pink, then the green, then the blue. Now why is it looking different? Just because I'm holding it far away. Yeah, if you hold it close up, 3D effect is actually less. If you hold the thing far away from you, yeah, now it actually looks like a deeper picture. Let me do some kind of experiment quickly. See if I put that there, and then I watch it from even farther away. Ooh, that looks weird, moving my head around, especially with those red digits there. Let me see if I can maybe reproduce that for you. Does it look any weirder to you now? I don't know. Let's try the other lens. Yeah, now you're gonna have to watch it through both of them at the same time to see what I'm talking about. But yeah, if you want to see something 3D, I can show you my dinosaur picture. You see? Oh, now it's... where must I stand? About there, yeah. See, this is a 3D picture. Quite a range it has. Now there it changed. Yeah, changes there, and then you can move all the way around. Very nice. I hope you enjoy this Jurassic Park 3D movie. Alright, well, that was insanely interesting. All I ask in return is that you hit the like and subscribe button below, and we'll talk about more stuff next time. And yeah, I kind of like my little lit up colorful glass board, notice board thingy. I'm sure now that I have it, I can think up a lot of uses for it. So, I'll see you next time. You have a good day.